What in the world is that sound? We're here at the theater in Manchester, in Fresno. What the world? We're the only ones in here. Kimmy's face. Oh my god, that sounds awful. It gets louder and then it goes low again. See where no one's in here, look. It's just us.
It's a horror movie.
It's a what?
It's a horror movie.
Hola, cucuy. See? Can you hear that, guys? Oh boy. See down there? Nobody. Huh. Interesting. Very,